Now let's take our analysis to the next level. First is hypothesis testing. It is like a detective story. It helps us decide whether an observed effect is statistically significant or just due to chance. We start with a null hypothesis, assuming no significant difference, and an alternative hypothesis suggesting there is a significant difference. By analyzing our data, we can accept or reject the null hypothesis, providing valuable insights into our experiments. A/B testing, on the other hand, is like a controlled experiment. It's fantastic for comparing two or more versions of something to see which performs better. We randomly assign subjects to different groups, expose them to different conditions, and then measure the outcome. A/B testing is widely used in marketing, product development, and UX design.